A vessel is filled with liquid, three parts of which are water and five parts syrup. How much of the mixture must be drawn off and replaced with water so that the mixture may be half water and half syrup? Now, in such kind of replacement questions, first of all, you need to understand the concept. Okay. So let's assume that this is the vessel. Okay. Now, here it was completely filled up with this liquid. Okay. Three parts of which are water and five parts are syrup. But some part of it is replaced. Okay. Now, this much part is removed, first of all. So, even if this part is removed, water to syrup ratio still remains to be 3 is to 5. Okay. Remember this. It remains the same. Now, we are adding only water to it. Okay. So, water to syrup ratio now will be 1 is to 0. Okay. So, eventually, when these mix together, water to syrup ratio is coming out to be 1 is to 1. Half water, half syrup. Okay. Now let's do this complete question from the perspective of water. Okay. So water originally was 3 parts out of 3 plus 5. That is 3 upon 8. Okay. The replaced part is complete water. It doesn't have any content of syrup. So we can say that it is 1 by 1 of water. You can get it from here as well. Okay. So eventually we want half water, half syrup. So that is 1 upon 2. Now these three fractions we need to do cross subtraction. So for subtraction of fractions we need the same denominator. So the LCM of the denominators is 8. So 1 upon 1 I can write it down as 8 upon 8. 1 upon 2 I can write it down as 4 upon 8. So by cross subtraction 8 minus 4 we have 4 upon 8. 4 minus 3 that is 1 upon 8. So the ratio comes out to be 4 is to 1. Now this is the replaced thing. So the replaced part becomes 1 upon 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 1/5 of the part is replaced.